All right, this is Mr. Ward again with your overview of week 1. A little bit into 2, but I really want to have you focus on week 1 here. And again, read every week. Read week 1 and 2 overview. When you get to week 3, week 3 and 4 overview, and just follow these things in order. But a couple things I want to point out. Your first discussion post is due this week. Second one's not due till next week. Your initial post has to be posted by 11:59 p.m. on Friday this week, which would be the 9th, I believe. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the 9th of September. Your replies should be done by 11:59 p.m. on Monday. I'm going to say don't post a reply or your initial thing on like Thursday or Friday even, and then do the initial or your responses the same day, right after that. Let people kind of load theirs up. Try to have this as an actual discussion, kind of back and forth a little bit. You do need to reply to 2 classmates and, of course, your initial post. But again, make sure that initial post is posted by 11:59 p.m. on Friday. Really, we're going to be looking at kind of what the course is, historical situation, and looking at our first project, which is the job application packet. So you can read the syllabus, watch the lecture, do the first discussion post, just follow along here. Start to look at, all right, what is this resume cover letter? What is this job application package? And start thinking kind of along the lines of, what career do you want? What are your career objectives? We'll look at how to design it next week. You could obviously start kind of, you have time to jump ahead here a little bit, but really first discussion post and become aware with your resume and cover letter. Next week, we're going to work toward kind of putting one together. So, if you have questions, again, the office hours discussion post, email me, inbox me on Canvas. I'm here. I want to help. I'm here for you. Other than that, 40 out.